What's going on, everybody? This video that you're about to watch is like ancient, super old. It's one of my buddies with some people that he knew, and it's pretty wild. So we used to get into all kinds of crazy stuff with these junk cars. Well, this one isn't junk, but with the cars that we did, but nobody had any cameras or anything. So back then it was like VHS camcorders or the big shoulder mount deals. Nobody had cell phones, and there sure wasn't any cameras on any cell phones way back then. So, you know, a lot of the stuff just didn't make it. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. At the end of the video, it's just going to kind of cut off because there was some things said and things that were kind of private, and I could not figure out how to edit all of that stuff out so it was like made any sense. So anyway, I hope that you like it, and just remember at the end it just cuts off and it's super old. So enjoy.
Crazy boys, crazy. Where do they learn this stuff from? That's all I wonder. Go ahead. Jeez. Jeez. They're just beating that thing. There it is, the beast. Very dirty.